Core 4x4 is a manufacturing company. We build off-road suspension parts for Jeep, Dodge, Toyota, Ford. Right now we're sitting at about 15 of us, give or take. We got about 15,000 square feet now. That's just recently, so we are using that room to grow and streamline our processes. What made me want to start Core 4x4? Way back, my first Jeep was an '89 Cherokee, and that was my first car, but it was broken. The motor was blown and it was trash. I was like 15 or 16 at the time, and like any 15 or 16-year-old with a Jeep back then, all we wanted to do was lift it and put as big of tires as we could on it and drive it around. I could not afford any of the parts. I couldn't afford anything. So my dad had some steel and a welder and some other stuff, and I started making parts, and I really found a love for making parts for these kind of builds. Originally, I just wanted to make affordable, high quality parts that anyone could buy to build their rigs. We started Core 13 years ago, and we've taken our time to make sure we're building really high quality, good suspension components. We build track bars, control arms, steering kits, long arm kits, working on coilover kits, just all the hard suspension parts that you need when you lift your Jeep, and not just lift it, but actually want it to function and perform correctly. A lot of lift kits leave out a lot of the parts that we build. So it's pretty easy to lift a Jeep and put big tires on it, but to lift it right and have it actually drive and perform is a different story, and that's where we come in with our products. But we try to keep as much of our process in-house to oversee quality control, cost. I feel like that's where we really compete, because we're able to keep so much in-house, we can keep our prices low for a really high quality product. What makes us different? That's a big one. First and foremost, we manufacture everything here in the States. Our manufacturing process is build to order. From the time you order to the time your order ships is about 2 to 3 days. And what that really allows is some customization. Something that we don't talk about enough is that we custom powder coat all the time, and that also saves our customers quite a bit of money. So if you want to customize your rig and you want a specific color, we can just powder coat it before we assemble it and ship it to you. So that's something that really sets us apart. Oh, what type of vehicles? All the vehicles. Anything that goes off-road and actually gets used. Our products are also built to be used and abused. So I want to see it on anything that goes off-road. Right now, we're a lot of Jeep, a lot of the Dodge and Ram models. We've branched recently into Ford and Toyota, and I want to keep going. I'd really like to get into RZRs and side-by-sides. Those are super fun off-road, so branching into that line would be awesome. Quality means something that never breaks. Quality means you're out on the trail and you can fully trust your suspension system in whatever you're trying to do. We have a lifetime warranty. If you manage to break or bend anything we make, we're going to replace it for you. I wanted to be able to offer a warranty that people could rely on and trust. We sell everything online through our website. That's how we relate to our customers. You can find us at core4x4.com. That's where we sell all our products right to you guys. I always want to keep that small company feel when you're dealing with us, because our customers are our most important part of the business. Customer service at Core means you talk to a person. Everything's going AI and digital and chatbots and that sort of thing, but when you're having an issue with your rig or you have a problem that needs to be solved, you just need to be able to get a guy on the phone that can talk you through it. So if you have any suspension question, whether or not it's with our parts or whatever, you can call us or email us and reach out. My favorite part of building Core 4x4 and doing what we do is bringing a product from an idea all the way to where people can buy and use it. That's always just been a huge motivator for me, is designing a product from the beginning to end and having people actually use them and install them on their vehicles. That's really cool for me to see. So I enjoy doing that, and I'll keep doing that as we grow. You can see us on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. If you like to see a lot of our products or how they're installed, we do a lot of really good how-to videos, and we bring a lot of good content online. So you can find us on there as well. But yeah, thank you. We wouldn't be anywhere without your guys' support. So